Hi, this is Santakumar. I'm a SharePoint dev guy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the web information in a SharePoint Framework web pod using PnP JS core component library. Okay, let's move on to the demo. Okay, I have opened the dev console. From this console, I'm just navigating to the folder where we are going to create a new SharePoint Framework project. So I'm just navigating to my demo folder, PnP demo. Okay, so here I'm going to create a new folder. Maybe I'm calling it as a get web info, and then yeah. So from this folder, I'm just calling a human SharePoint generator to create a SharePoint framework project and its files. So Microsoft slash SharePoint. It will generate the record files. Okay, before that, we have to give some basic information for creating a project. So I am just giving a solution name as get web info, and then I'm using the current folder. So for now, I'm just selecting no JavaScript framework because we are going to use PnP JS for accessing the SharePoint data. So I'm just selecting no JavaScript framework, and then I'm just giving a report name as get web details. Okay, and then description as okay. It is generated now. It is generated. What are the files record for the framework project, that is report project, and then it downloads the dependencies record for running and packaging this report. So it's downloading a number of files from the node package, node open source, npm package source. It downloads most of the files from them and adds those dependencies to the project folder. So it will take some time. So we'll wait for some time. Okay. Now the project is created under the folder get web info. So if you want to run this folder, we run this project, we have to run the gulp task. Um, Gulp serve. It will open the local workbench and a browser and shows the uh, output. Okay, so it's yeah, we are on the local workbench now, and I am just selecting. We have given the report name as get web details. So I'm just selecting get web details. So now we got a report in local workbench. So I'm also going to try in the SharePoint workbench page. I'm just now my SharePoint online workbench page has been loaded, and I'm going to add my get web details report to this page here. Yeah, I'm just selecting. So now my report is loaded here. Okay, now we'll move back to console. Okay, now we are going to edit this um, code from the project. So I'm the first we have to stop this process by selecting Control C and then giving okay. Now I'm going to open the project in a Visual Studio Code by typing code space dot. It opens that project folder in a Visual Studio Code. Here there I'm going to SRC folder. Here we are having the source files for the report. So I'm just selecting get web details.report.ts. Okay. So before that, before editing this, we have to add the PnP JS dependency file to this project. So I'm going to console back and typing npm install hyphen c dev sp hyphen pnp js. This is the name for the npm package. Uh, this is the npm package name for the PnP JS core library. Just selecting enter. It will take some few seconds to load. and add this dependency files to the Webpack project. Okay. Now the dependency SP PnP JS is added to the node modules folder under the project. So I will check that. Under this, I am in Visual Studio now. Then selecting node modules. Below the node modules, we'll go and see the name SP. Yeah, we have SP PnP JS. Okay. So we have to import this reference file to our project. So I'm just import adding import PnP as from SP PnP JS. Okay, I have okay. Now we have imported this library to our project folder. I'm just changing some HTML values here. JS demo, and then I'm just removing this tag. Okay, and then I'm just going to remove this also, and we are getting some ID to web info. Okay, and we are going to call. We are going to create uh, one private function. From that function, we are going to call this PnP JS library to get the web information. So this get web details. Okay, and then I'm going to add private get web details. The return is void. Okay, we have. I'm just changing private. Okay, now the error is resolved. Okay, here we are going to call pnp.esp.web.get. For now, we'll be showing the current website title. Okay, get dot. Then here the response, and then I'm going to add the return. Okay, we'll be getting the web details and a response variable. Okay, now we'll be getting the title information from response, and then we are going to add that title to the paragraph element with the ideas web info. Okay, I'm just selecting. Before that, I'm just let declaring the HTML variable. Okay, and then I am going to add here HTML is equal to response dot title. Yep. And then I'm going to add this response to the paragraph element. First, for that we have to get the web info or paragraph element with the ID as web info. Okay, maybe for that we'll go use constant variable element to type is element this dot dom element dot query selector, which will here we are going to give the ID. This will returns the paragraph element. Now I'm going back here and then I'm just going to use the element dot inner HTML to HTML. Okay, now we'll save this and then we are going to refresh this page, the SharePoint Workbench page, because this will won't affect. Okay, there is some problem. Uh, okay, we haven't run this gulp task. Okay, if you are not running that gulp serve task, it will returns this kind of warning message, and that's a workbench. So normally on the local workbench, we won't get any values because if you want to get a SharePoint data, we have to try it in a SharePoint workbench. So I'm just refreshing the SharePoint workbench page. Now, yeah, now you see my current SharePoint online site title is web info. Okay, so here, okay, you can see development portal. Now we'll see, well, now we will get the URL of this web info. Like maybe we'll add the BR tag here, BR tag, and equal to response dot URL. Okay, now we'll try it in SharePoint Workbench page. Yeah, now we got it. So at present we are directly typing here. Instead of that, we'll create some interface for storing these values, title and URL values. Okay, I'm just declaring interface web. Okay, and then title as string, URL as string. Okay, and then ID will also have ID also string. Okay, once you have that interface, now here, because at present we are not, if we didn't get any intelligence, if we get dot, we won't get any intelligence. Now I'm just converting this to web object. Okay, now we'll get this intelligence URL, and then the same way, okay, I'm just adding PR tag here, dot ID. Okay, here we'll give as title, here we'll give URL, here we'll give ID, and then we'll all appending to the HTML. Now we'll go to a site and then refresh the page. Yeah, got it. Okay, I think what we have done is, first of all, after generating the project, we will be adding this SPPNP JS node package to the SharePoint Framework project, and then we are importing this SPPNP JS to the project by calling import PNP from SPPNP JS. After that, we will be adding one new private function. From the private function, we are calling this PnP code to get the web information. If we go with the REST API, we have to write number of lines. It will be greater than this, what we are seeing here. So it's a very simple one to get the web details. Like that, we can add a lot of complex functions in a simple line of code by using a PnP JS core library. Thank you for watching this session. Maybe I'll come up with a lot of new videos in SharePoint Framework, PnP JS, and Office UI Fabric in upcoming days. So stay tuned with my social media links, which will be visible here. Thank you. Thank you for watching.